Wala.
Go. Englishan time. Hey.
NANI?
Yo.
I'm studying. I'm so busy right now. I'm busy. I'm making my assignments because I will pass it tomorrow.
Wow.
My teachers needed it.
Wow. What English?
English.
Nag-i-English.
Oh, Sandina won't understand you because she can understand or he can understand English only.
Hey.
Yes?
Can you teach me English?
Yeah, sure.
Galing pala na ito mag-English.
No, just a little bit.
Hulo. Ganun lang pala mag...
A first.
Ako.
Wala. The correction is it's sila. It's not broke. Broke tsaka J.
Uy, magagaling pala talaga itong mga nandito. Huwag ka daw muna sa mga vlog ko.
If you're not, don't talk to us if you're not go away. You're not speaking English.
Speaking English?
Why?
Why?
Why the why? Why the why? Why? I don't know. Don't talk to me. Tingnan ko ng correction. Tingnan mo kasi. Sirain niya pa yun. Hi.
Hi ka muna sa vlog ko. Hi.
Hi.
Eh.